Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use their knowledge and expertise to identify and expose security flaws, not to exploit them. They work diligently to protect our data and ensure the integrity of our digital infrastructure. This video delves into the world of ethical hacking, exploring its legality, the skills required, the methodologies employed, and its profound impact on cybersecurity. We will examine how these professionals navigate the complex landscape of cyber threats. Through real-world examples and case studies, we'll uncover the vital role ethical hackers play in safeguarding our digital lives. Their work is not just about finding vulnerabilities, but also about educating and raising awareness about cybersecurity. Join me as we journey into this fascinating realm, where the line between right and wrong is clearly drawn, and where skilled professionals work tirelessly to ensure that our digital world remains a safe and secure place for all. Together, we will explore the challenges and triumphs of ethical hacking and understand why it is more important now than ever before. Ethical hacking, in its simplest form, is the practice of legally hacking into computer systems and networks to assess and improve their security. It is a controlled and authorized form of hacking, conducted with the explicit permission of the system owner. The legality of ethical hacking hinges on this crucial element of consent. Unlike malicious hackers who operate without permission, ethical hackers obtain written authorization from system owners before commencing any testing. This agreement outlines the scope of the engagement, specifying the systems and networks to be tested, the methods allowed, and the duration of the testing period. By operating within these clearly defined boundaries, ethical hackers ensure their actions remain lawful and beneficial. Ethical hacking demands a unique blend of technical prowess, analytical thinking, and a strong ethical compass. Aspiring ethical hackers must possess a deep understanding of computer systems, networks, and security principles. Proficiency in programming languages like Python, Java, or C++ is essential for developing and utilizing hacking tools. Familiarity with operating systems such as Linux, Windows, and macOS is crucial for navigating and understanding target environments. Networking concepts, including TCP/IP, routing, and firewalls, form the bedrock of ethical hacking, enabling hackers to analyze network traffic and identify vulnerabilities. Ethical hackers employ a vast arsenal of tools and software to aid them in their security assessments. These tools, often open source and readily available, are designed to probe systems, scan for vulnerabilities, and simulate real-world attacks. Network scanners like Nmap allow ethical hackers to map out network topology, identify active devices, and detect open ports. Vulnerability scanners such as Nessus and OpenVAS automate the process of identifying known weaknesses in systems and applications. Penetration testing frameworks like Metasploit provide a collection of exploits, payloads, and tools for simulating attacks and exploiting vulnerabilities. Section 5. Methodology. Steps in an ethical hacking operation. A typical ethical hacking engagement follows a structured methodology to ensure thoroughness and minimize risks. This methodology is crucial for identifying potential security gaps and providing actionable insights to improve the system's defenses. The process often begins with reconnaissance, where ethical hackers gather information about the target system or network. This initial phase is critical as it lays the groundwork for the entire operation. This may involve passive information gathering from publicly available sources or active scanning to probe for vulnerabilities. Passive reconnaissance might include searching through social media, websites, and other online resources, while active reconnaissance involves more direct interaction with the target. Once sufficient information is gathered, ethical hackers attempt to gain access to the system, exploiting identified weaknesses. This step is often referred to as the exploitation phase, where the hacker uses various tools and techniques to breach the system's defenses. The goal here is not to cause damage, but to understand the extent of the vulnerability and the potential impact of an actual attack. Ethical hackers aim to mimic the actions of malicious hackers to see how far they can penetrate the system. Once access is gained, ethical hackers may attempt to escalate their privileges, simulating the actions of a malicious actor. Privilege escalation is a critical step as it helps to identify how much damage a real attacker could potentially cause. Throughout the process, detailed documentation is maintained, recording every step taken, every vulnerability discovered, and every action performed. This meticulous record-keeping is essential for creating a clear and comprehensive report. This documentation forms the basis of a comprehensive report provided to the system owner, outlining the findings, the risks, and recommendations for remediation. The final report is a crucial deliverable, offering actionable insights to enhance the security posture of the organization. Section 6. Real-world applications, case studies in ethical hacking. The impact of ethical hacking can be seen in countless real-world scenarios where security vulnerabilities were discovered and mitigated before malicious actors could exploit them. These case studies highlight the importance of proactive security measures and the role ethical hackers play in safeguarding our digital world. One such example involves a major financial institution that hired an ethical hacking firm to assess the security of their online banking platform. The bank was concerned about potential vulnerabilities that could be exploited by cybercriminals. The ethical hackers were able to bypass the bank's authentication mechanisms, gaining unauthorized access to customer accounts. This simulated attack revealed significant weaknesses in the bank's security infrastructure. This discovery sent shockwaves through the institution, prompting them to immediately address the vulnerability and strengthen their security posture. The bank's executives realized the potential damage that could have occurred if a real attacker had exploited the flaw. In another case, an ethical hacker discovered a critical flaw in a popular social media platform that could have allowed attackers to hijack user accounts and steal sensitive information. The flaw was found during a routine security audit. The hacker responsibly disclosed the vulnerability to the company, who quickly patched the flaw, preventing a potentially catastrophic data breach. This incident underscores the value of ethical hacking in protecting user data and maintaining trust in digital services. Section 7. The impact of ethical hacking on cybersecurity. The importance of ethical hacking in today's cybersecurity landscape cannot be overstated. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, so too do the methods employed by cybercriminals. Ethical hackers serve as a crucial line of defense, proactively identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. By thinking like attackers, ethical hackers help organizations understand their weaknesses and strengthen their security posture. They provide valuable insights into the latest attack vectors, emerging threats, and the evolving tactics of malicious actors. This knowledge is essential for organizations to stay ahead of the curve and effectively defend against cyber attacks. Section 8. The role of ethical hackers in a secure digital world. Ethical hackers play a vital role in shaping a more secure digital world. They are the guardians of our data, the protectors of our privacy, and the champions of a safer online experience. Their work extends beyond simply identifying vulnerabilities. They educate and empower organizations to build more resilient systems and foster a culture of security awareness. As our reliance on technology continues to grow, so too will the demand for skilled ethical hackers. Their expertise will be paramount in ensuring that our digital future remains secure, trustworthy, and beneficial for all. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing ethical hacking for a safer tomorrow. In conclusion, ethical hacking, while seemingly paradoxical, is an indispensable tool in the fight against cybercrime. It is a legal, ethical, and highly effective means of identifying and mitigating security vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious actors. By embracing ethical hacking, organizations can strengthen their security posture, protect their data, and safeguard their reputation. As we navigate an increasingly interconnected and digitized world, the role of ethical hackers will only become more critical. Their expertise, dedication, and unwavering commitment to security will be instrumental in shaping a safer and more secure digital future for all.